Alright, no problem. Why are you guys waiting for me?
You're hilarious.
I had a drink. My drink was empty. Alright.
You know where the fridge is?
So would you dance with me like that?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Alright, so
If I came up to you like that?
No, he would just be
like-
standing there like, what the fuck?
What do I do next? Okay.
Don't move, she might bite me.
Baby.
I'll put it this way. I would try.
Oh wait, what was the instinct?
Bye, 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 bye.
Wow. If this seriously goes on Facebook,
Oh my god.
I gotta see it. Can you like link it to my page?
So they go.
No.
Wave to your fan.
My phone is about to die. I need some good music.
Where's your charger?
Oh. No, seriously. Oh my gosh. I don't know the words. Neither. Just evacuate. Evacuate. How's that, no? Alright. Alright, Sam.
Oh, my fucking face hurts so bad.
No, seriously, my phone won't even cut off. Like, and the music doesn't want to cut off.
All you're gonna hear on this video is me laughing.
No, seriously, I can't turn the phone off.
Hit off.
Oh, there she goes again. Got air in her again.
No, seriously, Caleb needs to go to sleep. I just wanted to... That dog. Killing me too. Alright, I'm sorry, Caleb. I really am sorry. No, but I'm trying to
You see why I keep her around?
Here it is. Oh, there it is.
No, I just went to the next one. Hey, wait.
Yeah.
Oh no, this
Oh my God,
is
that's-
not a good song.
No, that's mine and Selena's
I
song.
like that song though.
That's mine and Selena's song.
Oh!
Go ahead,
No.
Come on, you gotta stop it and record it again.